Now that I got Tom
It's
and
a
Jerry's
bit of
Winter
Charlie
Wilderness
Brown
on
on
DVD, now I can finally watch it. Don't watch it. What? Just don't watch it. It has that scary Warner Home Video logo on it. It's scary, trust me. Oh my goodness. It's a ghost in the fan.
Wash.
And you're telling me that there's a scary Warner Home Video logo? Just watch it and see for yourself. Oh, okay.
Fine.
Okay, let me just look at this fine. Wait, what? Just put a disc in a Sony Blu-ray player, just watch it! Fine. Seems like I have to do everything around here. Plus, I've seen this logo before, and it's not even scary. Alright, let's just put a disc in. There we go. Now let's see how scary this logo is.
Go!
I want to see Tom and
Charlie
Jerry.
Brown,
Not this.